is Preeti Mansukhani. I'm 9 months, means 9th month running now. I would like to say that I feel before this program I thought parenting was a lot of responsibility and to sort of lot of things that you do your ways and you have to change and modify and stuff like that and all. But then now I feel that it's actually more fun and it's going to be, I'm looking forward to it. Initially, obviously the fear of unknown and so many things was there. I had heard so many stories, and looking at today's generation, I always had that fear that how will I, inculcate those culture, like values and all into my child. But now I feel that it is much easier, and I know that why there is a difference in certain children when they grow up and why there is no, why some people, basically everyone is different when they grow up. So it's based what values you've learned at home and stuff like that. So now I know how to give that to my child. And basically I enjoyed all the sessions. I used to like coming here. I used to look forward to this place. It was more like a family and seeing everyone. It's like a peer group, all pregnant women around. So it was fun. So I'm really going to miss it. And of course a lot of things I liked is reading aloud, say and do, and sleep talk, which I'm definitely going to implement. And I love the concept of a vision chart, which we've already done, and I look at it every morning, and I feel ki, yeah, I'm already I'm seeing my baby as whatever qualities I imagine, and I know that he's going to get all those qualities. So I feel very, very positive and optimistic about it. So
thank you.
So I'm Deepak, and apart from whatever she said, I think the biggest learning for me has been that there's a lot of power in our hands to shape our child's future. As she said, a lot of parents that we see around are, giving out negative statements like it's a torture and nothing can be done. Aajkal ke generation ka kuch nahi ho sakta and all. I think there's a lot that can be done, and more importantly, it can be done in a fun way. So thanks to Amit and all of you for sharing all the stories and making us feel so positive about the whole experience and looking forward to it.
Thank you.
And initially, I was not aware about this program. Thanks to Poonam that she just told me, okay, let's attend this program, and I'm sure you will get some positive benefits. And what touched me from this program is you have kept things very simple. Parenting is very basic. All the basics things have been taught to us, and nothing out of the blues and nothing extraordinary has been told to us. How you can keep parenting a very basic thing at a very conceptual level. That is what I could take away from this program. So that was a wonderful thing. And another key takeaway was the musical session which was arranged by Rajesh. So that was a fantastic thing. That is what I enjoyed the most in this program.
Thank you.
I knew about this program, but of course always we say that, unless until you taste the fruit, you don't know the taste of it actually. So I liked it, the whole experience. And we felt that it's truly blessed to be here and to be part of this. From the first day to this last day, I always like, okay, something is there. The experience, the learning, the playful experience. We always say that it's like, okay, the child, if at all it can play and learn, we are also like that. That's what we always attach to it. So I like the whole thing, and thanks to you, you are being really a great teacher and really making everything simple. ये simple रखो, उसको ज़्यादा complicate मत करो.